what? The Queen of Clean is saying bug off to all of those bugs today. And I'm going to show you how to make sure they do, because we're going to create a couple of safe, natural ways to spray on your body and on the kids, because no DEET involved, that will keep the bugs away. So let's get started. The first one uses simple ingredients. I have in this little container 2 ounces of witch hazel. Then you can use any carrying oil you like. I have almond oil here. You're going to use 2 ounces of that. And to that, I'm just going to put in a ½ teaspoon of vodka. Now, maybe it's just because it makes me feel good. I don't know why for sure, but the vodka is an essential ingredient. Now, what we also want to add is 55 drops of essential oil. Now we have a choice. We can add all of them, we can add a few of them. You can be the judge. So we've got like cedar oil, eucalyptus oil, lemon oil. You can combine them, you can use all in one, whatever is best for you. You're going to put it in a spray bottle. And you notice I have little bottles because you don't want huge bottles full of this stuff. And always label, remember, always label so you know what you've got. Then you're just going to start and you're going to spray that on your kids. And it smells great. Oh, it smells so good. And it keeps the bugs away too. Now I want to go down here to one that is actually called Bug Be Gone, because all we need for this, we need 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces, which is like this little measuring thing, or 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons, whichever you happen to be using. We're going to pour it into the bottle. And to that, we're going to add about 20 drops of Bug Be Gone. And believe me, it smells good. It will not damage the kid's skin. It's not DEET. It's not poison. It's safe. It's natural, but it works. So mix some of these up. Take them to the beach with you this year. Take them out in the backyard with you. Take them to the pool, and you'll never have mosquito bites when you get the kids home. So give all this a try. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.